Namaskar everyone. As we all know, Punjab has faced heavy floods, but in every challenge there is a hope. Today we gather to spread wellness, care and support for all flood affected families.
We understand your pain. Homes and fields may be damaged, but your courage is unshaken.
Please drink clean water, use safe food, and protect yourself during this time.
You are not alone. The people across country stand with you together. We will overcome this disaster. Stay hopeful, stay strong, and take care of your families.
Floods may test our strength, but unity and wellness will heal us. Let's join hands for a safer, healthier Punjab.
Punjab will rise again with wellness, unity, and hope.